Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making sushi bake, and I saw this all over TikTok and Instagram Reels and it looked really good. So we're going to make our own version of it. I think most people do use... Dun, 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 dun. Her laundry's ready to be put into the dryer.
No, that's my dryer.
Okay, that's her dryer. But regardless, let's ignore that fact for a little bit. Most people do use imitation crab, and we are gonna do that because if we used real sushi, then Grace couldn't enjoy it. We are using some Masago today, which are those red or orange fish eggs that you see when you have sushi sometimes, but I'll only sprinkle it on half so Grace can enjoy it. Wow, I'm such a great sister. So let's go right to it and check out these ingredients.
So full of yourself.
So let's season this rice. We'll add some vinegar. Salt. Our sugar. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay, and mix this. We're gonna set this aside. Let's preheat the oven at 400° Fahrenheit on bake. Shred this and cut it so that you can get a little bit in each spoonful. When Grace and I were younger, we would just eat the softest egg. Did you?
No.
Oh, okay, that's just me.
I don't like imitation crab.
When you go out and you get it at a restaurant, it's kind of a waste of money because it's so cheap. And you can be getting real sushi, like good quality sushi when you're out. Cut this up. Transfer this into a bowl. Why did I get such a small cutting board? Oops. Add our cream cheese, and kewpie mayo is preferred, but if not, regular mayo will do. Okay, and we're gonna mix this to the best of our ability. To our baking sheet, let's add in our rice.
That's a casserole dish.
Oh yeah, you're right, this is not a baking dish.
That already looks...
This? You know, in essence, it's kind of like a Asian pie or cake.
Yeah, like a sushi cake.
Yeah. I have my rice seasoning. So we'll add this all over. And then add in our crab meat mixture. More Furikake. And I'm only gonna add in Masago to half of it for Grace. I love Masago. And into the oven this goes for about 10 to 15 minutes. Do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is pinu, which means soap. And you know, I always go and for a lot of things. I noticed that when I was editing. So pinu, I don't know why, I just saw dish soap and hand soap here. I guess the only other thing I can say, I have water all over my hands. So. Only thing I can say with this is make sure to wash your hands because we are still living through COVID and it's very prevalent. Yeah, just make sure to always keep your hands clean, always sanitize your hands. So today's word of the day is pinu, which is soap. I'm gonna slice up an avocado. If you guys have not checked out my TikTok on avocados, make sure to. I post all my TikToks to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Also chop up some green onions. Wow. Look at that. So we're gonna be using some taechongim. You can use any seaweed, this is seaweed, but you can use any seaweed flakes you want. I'm just gonna crumple it up and sprinkle it up on top. We'll add the avocado down the middle. You can pretty much add whatever you want. It doesn't always have to be exactly the way I'm doing it. Like always, anything on our channel, you can customize it to your liking. So I forgot to bring some cucumbers, but I would imagine it to be really good with cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes, you know, whatever of your choice. All right, let's eat. Grace, can I have your bowl that I left there?
What's up?
Oh, whatever. Wow. Okay, we'll do this for now. Okay, let's try this out. Oh, did you want avocado?
Can I have a slice?
Mmm.
Mmm. Very good. Wow.
Wow, I wonder how yours tastes because mine tastes so good with the
Mine tastes
Masago.
I'm sure it tastes better, but...
Sriracha.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Very good. Avocado's a nice touch too. It adds creaminess.
The sushi rice seasoning is like on point.
Very good. It's like an Asian like casserole.
This is dangerous.
Yeah, it's a little dangerous. It's really good.
Okay. She's like scooping it off the plate. This will be really good with sriracha. I'm asking you for some sriracha.
Oh, you want it?
Would you give me some?
Of my precious sriracha?
Yes.
I guess I can.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ah, she barely has any left.
Wow.
So
That's like a really good bite. It's really good.
Sriracha completes it. It's a pretty good party food.
Yeah, because easy. It's filling. I don't know, it's presentable too. So.
I hope you guys try this out. Maybe at your next friend's gathering. It would be a hit. So, try and make this. Let us know in the comments if you liked it, and we'll see you guys on our next video.
Sriracha good.
Right?
Team good. It's creating an earthquake.
Right. So much better with the It's like that super famous thing where you leftover salmon.
Yeah. That's basically this.